Hey everyone! Sparkling heart. Welcome back to Healthy Lives, your cozy corner for peace, balance, and positive vibes. Today, I'm going to help you build your very own self-care Sunday routine, one that helps you recharge, let go of stress, and start your week feeling calm, happy, and ready for anything. So grab your favorite drink teacup with handle, light a candle hash, and let's talk about how you can turn every Sunday into a mini spa day for your mind, body, and soul. Sun with Face 1. Start with a slow morning. Forget alarms, forget rushing, this is your day. Sleep in a little and wake up naturally. When you open your eyes, take a deep breath and stretch your body. Don't jump straight to your phone. Instead, open your curtains, let sunlight in, and feel that soft morning energy. Make your bed. It might sound small, but it's the first win of the day. Put on cozy clothes, maybe your favorite hoodie or soft pajamas, and remind yourself, today is about peace, not pressure. Teacup with handle 2. Morning coffee or tea and gratitude practice. Next, make your favorite morning drink, coffee, tea, or even lemon water. Sit somewhere quiet and enjoy it slowly. Don't multitask, just sip and breathe. While you're sipping, grab a notebook and write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be anything: a good night's sleep, your family, or even that perfect cup of coffee in your hand. Practicing gratitude helps you start the day with a positive mindset and lower stress. Shower 3. Take a relaxing shower or bath. After your morning drink, it's time for a refreshing shower, but make it a self-care shower. Use your favorite body wash or scrub. Play calming music, light a candle, and take your time. The goal is not just to get clean, but to wash away stress. You can even hang eucalyptus or lavender in the shower for a natural spa smell. When you finish, use a soft towel and moisturize your skin. Feel fresh, clean, and confident. You deserve that feeling.
4. Meditate or practice deep breathing. Now that your body feels refreshed, it's time to calm your mind. Find a quiet spot, sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take slow, deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. You can play soft music or use a meditation app. Even 5 to 10 minutes can make a big difference. If you're new to meditation, don't worry. Just focus on your breathing and let your thoughts pass by like clouds. Cloud. Cooking 5. Make a healthy brunch. Next, let's talk food. Sunday is perfect for a healthy and colorful brunch. Try making avocado toast, smoothie bowls, or oatmeal with fruit and honey. Or if you want something warm, go for eggs and whole grain toast. Cooking can be relaxing when you don't rush. Play music, enjoy the smell of your food, and eat mindfully. No scrolling, no stress. Healthy food fuels your body and gives you that feel-good energy to enjoy the rest of your day. Strawberry. Open book 6. Read, journal, or reflect. After brunch, take time to slow down mentally. Grab your favorite book or write in your journal. You can reflect on your week, what went well, what lessons you learned, and what you want to improve next week. You can also write affirmations like, I am proud of myself. I deserve rest. I am doing my best every day. Journaling and reflection help you stay emotionally balanced and motivated. Herb 7. Go outside or move your body. Now it's time to connect with nature or get some light movement in. Go for a walk in the park, sit in your garden, or just breathe fresh air on your balcony. Feel the sunshine, listen to birds, or watch the sky. If you want, do light yoga or stretching. Movement helps release tension and improves your mood. Remember, it's not about burning calories. It's about feeling alive. 8. Pamper yourself because you deserve it. Afternoons are perfect for pampering. You can do a face mask, paint your nails, or deep condition your hair. Wear comfy clothes and play your favorite music. This isn't vanity, it's self-love. You're taking care of your body and mind. Maybe even light some incense or use essential oils. Create a little spa moment at home. When you look good, you feel good, and when you feel good, you glow from the inside out. Sparkles. Mobile phone off 9. Take a digital detox break. Okay, this one's important. Put your phone down. Turn off notifications for a while. Social media can wait. Use this time to connect with yourself or the people around you. Go tech-free for an hour or 2. Read, draw, rest, or simply do nothing. Your mind needs a break from screens just as much as your body needs rest from work. Candle 10. Do something that makes you happy. Self-care isn't all about skincare or baths. It's also about joy. Do something that genuinely makes you happy. Maybe it's painting, cooking, listening to your favorite playlist, or watching your comfort show. You can also spend time with family, call a friend, or cuddle your pet. The goal is simple. Fill your Sunday with peaceful, happy energy that carries into your week. Sparkling heart. Sunset 11. Reflect and plan for the week. As the sun sets, grab your journal again and reflect. Ask yourself, what made me feel good today? What do I want to focus on next week? What can I do better? Write small, realistic goals like sleep earlier, drink more water, or stay positive. You can even write a short gratitude list for your day. Reflection brings clarity and peace. 12. Cozy night routine and sleep. Now it's time to wind down. Do your night skincare routine, cleanse, tone, moisturize. Spray some lavender mist on your pillow and play soft music. Stay away from your phone 30 minutes before bed. Instead, read a few pages of a book or write down one positive thought about your day. Go to bed early so you can wake up Monday feeling calm, not tired. And that's it, your full self-care Sunday routine. Cherry blossom. Remember, self-care isn't about being perfect or doing everything at once. It's about listening to your body and giving yourself what you need. Even if you can only do a few of these steps, that's totally okay. What matters is that you take time for yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe to join our Healthy Lives family, and share this video with someone who needs a little self-care love today. Two hearts. Take care, stay calm, and remember, you deserve peace, rest, and happiness every single day. See you in the next video.